Hey, first grade. Today we're going to play sound bingo. So you can either print out this page that you see in front of you, or if that's not possible, then you can just look at it on the screen with me. Okay, this is how it's going to work. I'm going to say a sound, and then you have to try and find it. Ready? Where is the sound D, like dog? Did you put a finger on this? You got it. Psh, nice job. Where is the sound G, like girl? Do you see it? If your finger is on this, kiss your brain. I agree with you. Nice job finding the G sound. Okay. Where is the like rocket? Where is the sound? Is it here? No. Ooh, I see it. If your finger is on here, you got it. Where is the like apple sound? Nice job, friends. You found the sound. Okay, now I'm going to give you the letter name. Ready? Where is F? Can you find that letter? Nice work. You found F, like fish. Awesome. Okay, where is, can you find the P? Great work. You found P, like pig. Awesome. How about, ooh, I bet I'm going to trick some of you with this one. Ready? How about N? Can you find where it says N? Where is that letter? Nice job. It's right here. Awesome. All right. How about this one? Can you find the V sound? V, like vase. Ooh, that tickles my lips. Awesome. Your fingers should be on this. V, like vase. Excellent. What about y, like yo-yo? Where's the y sound? You found it. Nice work. How about, ooh, ready? What about like scent? If your finger is here, I agree with you. Like scent. Friends, remember, C can be very tricky. It has two sounds, like cat and S, like scent. What about S, like sun? Nice work. S, like sun. What letter is this? You're right. This is an S. Nice job finding that sound. Last one. Can you find the sound? Excellent. You found like moon. Great work.